Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation, education related words. You are requested to kindly please subscribe and like. Thanks. Start. The British Council in Pakistan and UK, harned by Educational Trust, in collaboration with Beacon House National University, Aga Khan University Center for English and Society of Pakistan English Language Teachers, is conducting the second Harn-by Summer School in Pakistan from July 11 to 29. Full stop. This teachers training program will look at the ways and means for schools to tackle the concerns and meet the challenges of English medium education by bringing together ELT practitioners from across the South Asian region in the 3-week summer school. Full stop. It will explore issues of school curriculum and language, comparisons across the represented countries and seek to learn from parallel experiences in different environments. Full stop. The course will go on to focus on the challenges faced by the learner in English medium school and the factors affecting his or her development. Full stop. The focus will also be on the teachers, their competency requirements and how the institutions can encourage and manage training and professional development. Full stop. The particulars of summer school, including English teachers in primary and secondary schools, and have arrived from China, Afghanistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Iran, and Pakistan. Full stop. The teachers of other subjects operating in English medium schools as well as principals, administrators and policy makers involved in management of English medium education will also attend. Full stop. Across South Asia, English medium education is often seen as an essential ingredient for academic and professional success. Full stop. The English medium education is believed to prepare students for international higher education opportunities and can give a distinct advantage in the job market. Full stop.